I just love to be in the kitchen cooking. So when I moved in, I wanted to create a nice warming space, and I just wanted to create this. I'm Jane Dunn. I'm from the blog Jane's Patisserie. I'm an all-round cake fanatic. I love desserts and everything. I run my website, Jane's Patisserie, and I also have a new book out called Jane's Patisserie. And yeah, all things dessert, sweet and lovely. So when I moved in, I could have easily kept the kitchen I had, but it just wasn't built for purpose. So over the years of my blog growing, I needed that space that would look nice for like when I film stuff, but then also just be more practical. And it was just perfect in the end. My designer Ellie at the Portsmouth store just made the whole process completely seamless. She could see the space and go, well, this is the best way of doing it. And it just made her knowledge absolutely shine out. When I was in the showroom and I could try the VR headset, it was just so much better to be able to see what I wanted. You could put things on the work surface, such as a stand mixer or a knife block, and for me that made it so much more comforting knowing what I was getting and that it was exactly what I wanted, and it was just amazing. So one of my favourite things to do is definitely Christmas baking. By far my favourite type of recipe is New York style cookies. They're big, chunky, gooey, and you can do so many flavours, but one of my favourite ones is gingerbread and white chocolate. They are just the best bake. When I was ordering the appliances, I wanted to make sure I had a fan oven for when I'm baking because I much prefer to bake in a fan oven, and because I bake so much, I wanted two. Might seem a little bit greedy, but it's perfect for my job. I think the thing about having a boiling hot tap is that you don't have to have a kettle on the side. You can use it for making desserts, like when you're melting chocolate, all sorts. It's just so much easier, and I love the filter system, everything. When I started on my book journey, it was the most exciting thing. It was something that everyone had asked for so long, and it was the experimentation process of it, working on the recipes, and it quickly became the fastest selling baking book ever, which no one can still believe, especially me. Makes it exciting maybe for the future, maybe some more books, and it's just something that I am truly so proud of, and yeah, definitely my best achievement to date.